If you've been looking for a budget-friendly ProPress tool in 2025 and stumbled across the Vevor ProPress gun, you're probably wondering whether this low-cost alternative can actually compete with premium brands like Milwaukee and Rigid, or if it's just another cheap tool that won't survive real job site use. Vevor markets this ProPress tool as a powerful cordless crimping gun designed for copper, PX, and stainless fittings. With interchangeable jaws and enough force to handle most residential plumbing tasks without the price shock that comes with pro-grade models. The appeal is obvious. Plumbers, DIYers, and small contractors are constantly searching for reliable tools that don't cost over $2,000. Using the Vevor press gun is straightforward. Attach the right jaw, position it around the fitting, pull the trigger, and the motor delivers a smooth, consistent crimp that locks the joint in place. On the positive side, the tool feels solid in the hand. The motor strength is surprisingly decent for the price, and the included jaw sizes work well for common pipe diameters. Many users report that it completes presses cleanly without misalignments or half crimps, and the battery life is good enough for small and medium jobs throughout the day. But here's where the trade-offs start to show. The Vevor ProPress gun doesn't have the long-term durability, extended warranty, or certified compatibility that big brand models offer. Some users mention occasional jaw looseness, slower cycle times, or increased heat during repetitive crimping sessions. And while it can handle day-to-day jobs, it's not built for heavy commercial workloads where hundreds of crimps are performed daily. Another concern is serviceability. Premium tools have well-established service centers and replacement part availability, while Vevor support is more limited, meaning repairs may require full replacement. Still, when you compare the performance to the price, the value becomes clear. This tool gives you approximately 70 to 80% of the capability of top-tier options for a fraction of the cost, making it a compelling choice for part-time plumbers, maintenance crews, and homeowners handling renovations. My final verdict: the Vevor ProPress tool is not the best in the industry, but it might just be the best budget ProPress gun of 2025 for light to moderate workloads. If you need reliability on a tight budget, it delivers impressive performance for the price. For more honest tool reviews that cut through marketing hype, make sure to subscribe.